Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet and also highlighting the features on Google Meet and how to use those features. You can go to Google search and on your top right click there and find Google Meet. There is the icon. If it's not, just scroll down all the way until you find it. Right, you're gonna click on this. And here you see there are option to start a meeting. You can enter the code meeting code, and you have option of scheduling a video meeting from Google Calendar, and that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna click here. So, and then I have to add the title of the meeting. And you can choose the time, the date when you would like the meeting to occur. I'm gonna choose the 16th of May. Time I'm gonna say 10 o'clock to 11, and yeah, that's your time zone. You can choose your time zone. Okay, my time zone is correct, that's fine. And you can also choose here whether you want the meeting to reoccur or not. So yeah, one can basically choose whether you would like the meeting to recur daily or weekly or whatever option that will be applicable for you. Otherwise, you can choose that you don't want the meeting to recur. And then you can also choose here if you want a notification by email, 10 minutes before your meeting starts. And you can also attach a file, something here. I can write something, and yes, you can click on join with Google Meet, and yeah, you see the camera. You can switch off the microphone, the camera, and let's see what's here. What turn on options, settings, report a problem. If, for example, you're experiencing any problem with Google, you can report to them and then they will respond. Report abuse and help. Let's see also what's at the settings. Yeah, the setting is actually okay. The audio, microphone by default is, see what's the video. Okay, it's the resolutions. You can choose which one is applicable to you, whether you want a higher definition or just a standard. Alright, and the general additional others. Okay, right. So, and then when you're ready, click on join now. Okay, here you would see that you have details of your meeting, where you can copy your the link to the meeting, which you can send to the people who attend the meeting. For example, if I click here, it should show that Yes, joint info has been copied, so I can send them to the people via email or WhatsApp or whatever is easier for you. And then turn off again the microphone, leave or end the meeting, and here the video you can switch it off and on, turn on caption. Then you can present if you want to present from your screen or a window or Chrome tab. So just choose that, and let's see what's here. Right. Yeah, this is basically the same thing that we discussed the other time. And then this is a chat box, if I'm not mistaken. See, yes, that's where you can chat with the participants, and you can also see the number of people attending the meeting. So yeah, that's basically it. I think I have covered most of the basic things and about Google Meet. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.